Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrap It on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our main challenge is 3 tic-tac-toe boards. A Mother's Day, a Father's Day, and then a spring one. I chose for layout number 2 to use the Mother's Day one, and it's the left column going down, flowers, shades of pink, and date night. So for layout number 2, I'm using an older collection from close to my heart called Wild Berry Blast. You see the pattern paper in front of you that I have left over in 2 cardstock papers. Off camera, I cut out daisy flowers from the Daisy die from close to my heart, which is no longer available. From my scrappy stash, I have this leftover strip of borders and word phrases. In this kit, I also included the Wild Berry Blast die cuts, the enamel dots, and the enamel gems, or they're not enamel gems, they're glitter gems. And then my sticker sheet, which you can tell I've used half of the stickers previously on layouts, and then these are some alphas that I have selected. And then for my date night photograph, I've got that right there, and I'll come back to the story. My foundation layer is going to be the Daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart, that marble pattern paper from the Wild Berry Blast collection, and then I'm going to mat it on the black cardstock from Close to My Heart. For my date night, my husband and I had a long weekend at one of the casinos here in North Carolina. And so that's what I am documenting. And next, I am going to take this pattern paper from, again, the Wild Berry Blast collection, and I'm going to cut 2 1-inch strips, and I am going to make a tube. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Also, to let you know, I had another full sheet of that pattern paper, which is just gorgeous. The main color of that is the thistle color from Close to My Heart with white flowers. So I ended up trimming my daisy white cardstock a 1/4 inch on 2 sides and matted that on my full 12 by 12 sheet of paper, which you can tell right there. And that just made a world of difference for this simple layout. Also, I just showed you that I recut my daisy flowers off camera using the pattern paper. The other daisy flowers that I cut out using the die were from cardstock paper from Close to My Heart, and it was just not quite that correct shade. Next, I'm taking that banner strip that I showed in the beginning, and I trimmed it up a little bit, and now I'm inking the scallop part using the thistle ink from Close to My Heart, which matches this collection perfectly, and I'm adding that right under the little tubes that I made. And all you do is manipulate that paper and make it into a circle. You can use a pencil, but then your tube is going to be a lot larger, and I would suggest then you would have to cut your paper 1.5 inches. All right, back to the layout. So from the die cut pieces, I'm using the word that says smile. And then from my alphas that I pre-selected for this kit, and this is a silver chipboard alpha, and I'm going to spell out the word date, and then the little circles, I'm going to spell out the word night, and they're black with kind of a glitter to them. Next, I'm going to add some splatters, and I will show you that I selected 2 colors from the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray. The light pink is called Carnation, and then the other was Fuchsia. And I ended up just using the Carnation. Oh yeah, I forgot. I wanted a little bit more black in this layout. So I grabbed these succulents from various collections from Close to My Heart. and I added those. Oh, and I forgot that I also used some of the Wild Berry Blast stickers, and they're the strips, and I use 3 of them right under my word phrase. Then I come in and add my splatters. No, I don't. I add my enamel dots. I use the Wild Berry Blast enamel dots. Then, as always, my final touch is my sprays. And like I said, I ended up just using carnation. I wanted this layout to be a little softer when it came to my splatters because of the bold color of the pattern paper that I used as part of my foundation layer and making that little tubular circle. Actually, I made 2 of them. And this layout is complete. I'm a little bit ahead of myself, but I do want to remind you to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel to see which tic-tac-toe board they used, what product they used, and what memory they are documenting. And thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you all, and most of all, get out your scrappy supplies. Get out your photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel. That shows YouTube that there are people interested in watching scrapbooking videos, and that way we are inspiring people that you and I may not know that is looking for inspiration. I will have close-ups at the end. Yes, I only do that about 50% of the time, but there are close-ups at the end. And I am a close to my heart consultant maker, so if you are interested in coming over and checking out close to my heart products and do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer, and I will have the link listed below, along with the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group site, because we would love for you to play along and show us your layout that you created by snapping a photograph and uploading it to the May 2023 album. All right, we'll see you again soon. Bye.